The reason why many creators give up on their e-commerce ventures is because of the store creation. Because whenever you look at Shopify and you need to create a store and you just see all these different themes, different buttons, well, let's just say you're gonna have a hard time. Unless, of course, you're ready and you have some money to invest in order for someone to do it for you. For example, on Fiverr. So today we're going to see what Atlas is, and we're going to see some of the other ones as well later on. But firstly, I will unpack Atlas, and we'll see how it can help you. Now, I'm going to get this out of the way at the start. I'm not affiliating with them, with any of these tools. You will not find any links down there, and I'm not going to sell you a course or whatever. We're just going to unpack this so you can see whether this is for you or not. But this is very much suited for beginners, all right? So let's just go. It is over at helloatlas.io, or you can just Google for Atlas AI Store, and this is gonna be the homepage. So launch a high converting Shopify store in 2 minutes, literally. And it is exactly the case, right? You paste the product URL here, and AI tool is going to build the store for you. All right, it's really, really cool. So let me just show you this in action. Click on this button here, try Atlas for free. You will have to have a Shopify account. You can create your Shopify account with this button here. And of course, you can start it for free and then enjoy $1 per month for the next 3 months. And then of course, you will have to download the Atlas Shopify app. You will install Atlas on Shopify. This is how it's going to look like. You just click on the install button here. Now, do have in mind, whenever you create yourself a Shopify account, as I've told you, it's going to be $1 or €1 per month for the next 3 months, but you can set up your store and you can use Atlas for 3 days on Shopify without actually paying anything. You will have to specify your payment info though. And then just click on this basic plan here and skip this customized setup that Shopify is going to give you, and you're all set. And then you can actually click on this button here. It'll lead you over to the Shopify App Store. You will install the extension here, the AI Store Builder from Atlas. And then of course, just click on the install button here once you're here. It's gonna take a second. Now, this is your Shopify dashboard, right? This is not Atlas website. From here, you're gonna do this. Complete this setup here real quick. Just answer simple questions. And then you can generate your store with this button here. For example, this is how it's gonna look like. It's a really, really good high converting store that they give you. Click on the next button here and then just take a look at this magic. You just have to choose a store language. You'll have to choose where is the product located. So we can just take few informations about it, such as titles, photos, or videos. And let's say, for example, that I wanted to take something from AliExpress here. Let's just take this e-bike. I'm just going to copy the link of it. Then I will choose AliExpress from here, and then I will just paste the link, which I've copied earlier, here. And then I will click on the proceed button. And there it is. You have it. You're going to have your store in a matter of minutes. That's how simple it is. Until this is done, just allow me 1 minute for my sponsors today. First of all, I gotta tell you this. If by any chance you want to collect leads from Google Maps, I have a perfect tool for you. It's called Lead Sniper. The link for it you can find down there. Few clicks and you scrape all the leads you need. They have free trial, which you can just use right now to see whether this is for you or not. And from there, it's a one-time payment. It is basically an extension, which works like this on Google Chrome. You find your area and then you just type in the keyword. Let's just go with barber or maybe barbershop. Click on the start button. And then it's just gonna list out all the barbershops in your location. You can see the number of leads here, and of course you can export all of it into CSV file. On Lead Sniper, they've got a few other products such as Google Search Scraper and a few other ones, but Google Maps is the one I use the most. There's an installation guide for you as well, and if you ever feel stuck, there's 24/7 live chat support for solving all your problems. And as I've told you, pay once and export leads forever. So if you're looking to get some extra money on the side with this, well, there's a lot of lead generation gigs on Fiverr. And since this can be automated, it can be a really good side hustle. Now, what's going to happen next is that you will have to select which photos you would like. For example, if you don't like some of these, for example, I don't like this one, or maybe this one. Yeah, I don't like it. You can deselect it, or you can upload your own images with this button here. Whenever you're satisfied, click on the continue button here, and then choose the colors of your page. There's a lot of color presets here. For example, this one, and right away you're gonna see this in the preview window here on the right. For example, if I change it to this, you can see that this bar is going to change. And for example, buttons are going to change. For example, if you want it like this, the buttons are going to be like this now. And it's going to impact whatever you want to be changed. Now on the home page here, button here, you can change the heading, the subheading, and once again, whatever you change in this section here, it's going to be changed in this section here. For example, have a look at this. This is bullet 1, this effortless hill climbing. And here it is. If you add whatever, so let's just add number 1 here. I do it like this, and then I go down to see my changes, so you can see the number 1 has been added here. Now you can see that this is already done, one product Shopify page, and all you gotta do with this now is to drive traffic to it, right? You can forget about everything else. This isn't a store that will get you all the products that you need on one page and then people can click on. This is a one product page, and usually that's all what you need, because when you run TikTok ads, when you run Instagram ads, Facebook ads, Pinterest, whatever you use in order to drive the traffic from, well, this is what you need. You need people to have a place where they can just see that item, only that one item, and then they can just deal with something that is called impulse buy, because all the info is here. All they need is here, all right? If they just scroll now, click on shop now, well, the next option is just to put in their credit card info or PayPal or whatever you use. Now, there's a lot of product info here. There's a lot of visuals and media. You can just go and change whatever, you know? It's really, really good. Click on the continue button once again, and then from here, you can just go and start your 5-day trial. Now, if you go back to Atlas, you can see that the pricing here is $29 per month, $49 per month, and $99 per month, depending on which one of these plans you use. The same info is gonna be here on Shopify, but I wanted to show you that this is another tool. This is not for Shopify payment. This is for Atlas payment. Now, what do you get with this? Well, you can read it all through, but this is more than enough if you're just starting out or you have few products, few items to sell already. Now, the next one that I would like to recommend is Build Your Store. This is for the entire store. So this is the whole homepage with a lot of products to choose from, and they work with AutoDS, so you can automate some of this product search as well. And of course, there's Doba.com, which has a lot of good AI tools as well. They've got this really good AI hub. And of course, they will create a store for you and they will find the products for you. Now, what I like about Doba is that, as you can see down there, 90% of these products come from US warehouses. So the shipping times are gonna be good. Your reviews because of that are gonna be good. Doba is great if you wanna sell in the US. It's maybe one of the best ones. So yeah, take your pick. Try it out, user-free trials, and of course, I wish you good luck. Remember, the marketing is key. Everything else should be a breeze, and these AI tools help you with that. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.